Okay, this is a very quick video on how to use the MSR Whisperlite Universal stove. I'm going to break it down into every single stage. First of all, open up the fuel bottle. And now it's time to pop in the fuel pump. I find it easiest to use the white bit first before the black bit, and then you shimmy it in before tightening the red screw at the top firmly. Next up, you need to pressurize the fuel bottle by pumping. Now read the instructions to how many times you need to pump, but essentially if the bottle is full, then you only need about 30 pumps, and if it's nearly empty, you might need about 50. Okay, so this is basically where I found the instructions to be a little bit tricky to follow. What you need to do is make sure the catch arm is exactly how it looks on the video. Pop a little bit of saliva onto the gold part, and then you basically need to input the liquid fuel adapter into the pump, but the catch arm has to be on the left hand side of the pump itself, as you can see here. And then once the fuel adapter is pushed firmly in, you should now be able to just push down the pump a little bit, and then you can get the catch arm over onto the black hook. Okay, so now that everything is attached, you'll basically need to raise up the fuel bottle itself. This will keep the base of the stove level. Now it's time to release some of the fuel. Open up the control valve by turning 3/4. This will slowly drip through the fuel down into the priming cup. When you can see approximately a teaspoon's worth of fuel, you're ready to go. Also, very importantly, make sure you have your windshield ready. Now simply light the fuel in the priming cup. You'll shortly find that you've got a football-sized ball of fire. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Once the fire goes down almost to nothing, you'll then need to add a little bit more fuel by half turning, and then you'll get a blue flame. And there you go, you're ready to cook. And there we have it, cream of mushroom soup, local bread, perfect cheap middle of nowhere lunch on your cycle tour.